hopes are to understand the facts about it a bit more, but also to think about how we as a church might be involved in getting the message out that it's not on, and helping people who are victims or survivors of domestic and family violence.
I wanted to learn more. I think I need to understand some of the challenges that we're having with domestic violence, and I need to know more, understand more, so I can be better equipped to help in that area.
We've been involved with helping a few people deal with domestic violence situations over the years, and it's just something that's really important for us to upskill in and know how to respond.
The question is, what allows domestic violence to be there in the first place? What actually enables this thing to float in society? And if we can start to identify what actually gives this thing some air and deflate it at that point, now we're having a different conversation.
I really want to see us empathise, to really immerse ourselves in what it's actually like to be in the system, oppressed, and in this world of hurt.
There's a sense of entitlement that I'd carried and do carry in terms of who makes the decisions in the house. The final ones. When it comes to parenting, who has the final call? When it comes to finances and investments, who decides where the money goes?
The hands-on experience of the different scenarios you went through was brilliant. A great way to teach, a great way to inform. Lots of statistics at the beginning, and that was confronting. But I think the thing for me was just walking in someone else's shoes. I think one of the suggestions certainly was to talk about it, be open and say that this is an issue on the Gold Coast, and that we as a church want to be involved.
I had no idea of the depth, the length, the invasiveness of domestic violence in our community. I'm blown away, I'm shocked. I think I thought it was more physical violence on rare occasions. Now I see it can be emotional, it can be financial, it can be so many broader ways of abusing human beings, and it's everywhere. My fear is there's abuse happening right now. But because we're not talking about it, educating, dealing with it, it's going unchanged. It just continues to occur. It's a cycle. So we need to address it. We need to educate it, talk about it, become aware of it.
Yeah, I believe that we need to be a lot more aware as a society. Just be very aware to talk about it, to look for signs, and to just keep the conversation going so people feel comfortable that they can speak up and they won't be judged.